We have another guest joining us today. Does this little fellow have a name?
Yeah, so, well, what would you call this snake, Camille?
I don't know, we never really named him.
We didn't really name it. I feel very impersonal, but this is, so I brought a copperhead that we can show, and we're going to show some close-ups of the copperhead, right? And I like to show the copperhead, oops, sorry. I like to show the copperhead kind of like close to the corn snake because you can kind of see that they're very different snakes, especially when you get, well, come over, can we come over there? And okay, let's come over here and get really close up because, you know, on the tube, whenever you're ready to switch to the thing. Yeah, so you can definitely see that these snakes are different. And so the copperhead, I mean, they just have a very distinctive look.
Very triangular head.
Well, yeah. The head, and so all these features are kind of like individually, they're kind of hard to appreciate. But you know, if you see enough copperheads, you'll recognize them. And so, but you know, I mean, sometimes they have a little pattern down their side. It looks kind of like Hershey's Kisses down their side. I don't know if you can appreciate that on the video or not. Corn snakes don't have that. And of course, they have this two-tone copper color, and of course, the color varies a lot. But I don't know. You should look at a lot of them. You live in copperhead country. You ought to know what a copperhead looks like. So here's one, and we posted a picture earlier, and we can post more later on too. But anyway, copperhead and corn snake. I don't know how well you can see that, but there they are. And we'll let this guy slip back into here, and he'll take a little while to do that. Not too long. It's like ketchup, right?
It's like ketchup.
We'll come back to that.
Okay.
Oh, and that's the other thing is, so, you know, people always ask me what you need to kind of get the snakes out, and so here's like a tool, and this is basically, there's a lot of golfers in North Carolina I found. I don't golf, but a lot of people get bitten on the golf course. So here's a golf club that's been co-opted into a snake hook, and I think that's really cool. And you can kind of scoop the snake into the Rubbermaid container and take it away from danger. I'm gonna go put this snake up and y'all carry on.
You don't have to have that though. I mean, if you're on the golf course, your putter would do just fine.
That's right.
For me, a coat hanger worked perfectly today. Anything that will, with this reasonable distance, which is at least the length of the snake, keep you at a safe distance from the business end of the snake, you can hook it and relocate it to a safer environment.